Let's talk for a few minutes about ROTI, Return on Time Invested. This is a simple formula gauged to evaluate how effective your time is being spent in terms of dollars and cents. It's the pay you receive for a particular job divided by the time you spend on it, and that equals your return on time invested. How much are you getting paid for what you do? Say, for example, you work a merchandising job at a store that pays $30 and it takes you 3 hours to do that job. That would be $30 divided by your 3 hours. It would equal a $10 ROTI. This can also work for increments of time. Say it only took you 2.5 hours. To get an hourly calculation from that, you'd have to go divide it into half-hour increments, which would equal 5 for 2.5 hours. So it would be 30 divided by 5 equaling 6. Times it by 2 to get a full hour, it would give you $12 for an ROTI. It also works in terms of overhead time. So in other words, time you spend reporting the project, time you would spend in other types of things such as transit to the store. Say we did the $30 job and it took you 4 hours to do it. It'd be 30 divided by 4 equaling $7.50. As you can see, this can be a useful formula for determining how effective a project will be if you provided you have accurate time estimates, or as you're doing a project and you register your time against the actual pay you get from the project, you can evaluate how well that project is doing. And you can also use it to estimate future projects. For example, any type of freelance project you do. You can even use it for your regular job if you want to calculate in time you spent off work, time transit to, for example, if it takes you an hour both ways, you're putting in basically a 10-hour day. So this is a very useful measuring item. I have found it to be so. I hope you will find it to be so. And so I want to thank you very much, and we'll talk to you next time.